What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Litecoin, which has been pumping up in value since the last couple of hours. As you can see, earlier this morning went from $55 all the way up to $62 nearly, and has gone up just about 12%. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Or is it just time to hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view. And of course, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, covering both short-term and long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is down just under a percentage in the last 24 hours. However, Litecoin has managed to perform quite well. In the last hour, it has gained just about over a percentage. Over the last day, 11, nearly 12%. Over the week, 6%. It's been quite volatile, but all up until earlier today. And over the month, there is an overall 16% up, guys. We can see it dropping and peaking up in value quite a lot over the last 4 weeks, but yeah, overall it is more on the positive side, which is what we want to see. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a huge 137% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.1 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Litecoin. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it has been getting a lot of attention. As you can see, 92% buy against 8% sell, so it looks like a lot of people are stacking up the Litecoin as it's pumping in value. However, it is a risky time. We'll get into that right now. So on the screen we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and we've got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Litecoin at $54. However, it is trading at a much higher value at $61, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart. As you guys have predicted, guys, the blue line and the orange line are going in a bullish direction, looking quite steep, looking very, very positive. However, the only reason for that is the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of hours has made the graph think, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. If you guys have been following my channel for a while and have been watching my videos, you would know that I've always said this. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather. So exact same applies to Litecoin. So guys, yes, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. When it pumped up in value earlier this morning, we did see it dropping back down. It's picking back up right now, but it is very likely we are going to see more red candlesticks over the coming hours. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall decrease in value, potentially dropping down to about $58 is what my predictions are at the moment. So let's zoom in into the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we see? Still looking very bullish, very positive, going in a positive direction, and the lines are looking very steep, which is again not realistic at all. Again, exact same reason applies here, is because of the major increase that's taken place. Guys, over the next few days, I am expecting the crypto to slowly and steadily start to drop down in value, potentially down to about $55 to $56 is what my predictions are by mid next week. And again, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So guys, do expect more red candlesticks over the coming days. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're not looking as steep, which is a good news, which is, you know, much more realistic. However, we've still got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what we should expect over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about by mid to late December. So let's say towards the end of the year, we should be trading at slightly higher value than what it's worth at the moment, potentially around $65 to $70. Somewhere in between there is where I'm expecting Litecoin to be trading over the next 7-8 weeks. And again, this also depends on how the crypto market performs in general, such as Bitcoin. If it drops down to 10-15k, we are going to see major drops. However, if it picks up to about 25, 30, 35k, or wherever it is, we may see major increases in the crypto market, including Litecoin. But yeah, so far it seems to be more on the positive side over the next couple of weeks. Over the next 2 months, shall I say, it's looking more on the positive side, and hopefully most cryptos should be able to slowly and steadily increase in value, because guys, let's be honest now, 2022 has not been too great for the crypto market. You know, it's been more or less moving towards the negative direction for the last 10 months. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone, and we are in the lowest part of the red zone, and the last time we did just about hit the green zone was back in March 2022, so about 6-7 months ago. But ever since then, we've been slowly and steadily dropping in value, and for us to hit the green zone or even hit the resistance target to go into the green zone, we're going to have to $128, which I'm not expecting from Litecoin anytime soon. So more or less, guys, for most of this year and potentially half of next year, is very likely that we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction towards the positive side, we should be good to go. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Litecoin at the moment, guys. If you want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. But yeah, what I want you guys to do before you click off the video is let me know in the comment section down below your predictions on this crypto. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. Some people are saying it's a pump and dump token, it's going to straight away drop back down in value. Others are saying it's going to hit $200, $300, $400. However, but again, that's way off the scale at the moment. We don't go there until we can hit at least about $100. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.